Hi everyone, welcome to my All for Science channel. And this time I have decided to again do something new because the last videos were getting quite long. It was around 10 minutes or 12 minutes of duration. So instead of presenting a compilation of several topics in one video, this time I have decided to go with one single topic for one video, and that would significantly bring down the duration of the video itself. For this video I have only selected one topic, and also I will not be reading from a screen that is present behind the camera because that makes it very artificial. So instead of doing that, what I have done is I'll keep it very informal. I have the laptop before me here, and I will be referring it from time to time in order to get the information that I have noted down. As you have seen from the title itself, the topic is called the Hungry Milky Way because the Milky Way was apparently quite hungry when it was young, and it settled its hunger by eating another whole galaxy. But jokes aside, the fact of the matter is that the Milky Way did gobble up another galaxy called the Gaia Enceladus, and the way it happened was in a violent collision some 10 billion years ago. Now, it was already known that our home galaxy is composed of two separate sets of stars, but the exact timeline and process of the event was not known up until now. Previous studies had revealed that one of these two sets comprised bluer stars while the other had mostly redder stars. Researchers from Instituto de Astrofísica de Canarias used the Gaia Space Telescope to take exact measurements of the position, brightness and distance of around 1 million stars in the Milky Way within 6,500 light years of the Sun. From analysis of these measurements, it was found that both sets of stars were equally old, but the redder stars had more quantity of metals compared to the bluer ones. Using these findings, the team was able to complete the chronology of the events that led to the formation of the present-day Milky Way. And this is how it happened. Let's go back 13 billion years from now, when there were two separate stellar formations. One was a dwarf galaxy called the Gaia Enceladus, and the other was a much more massive galaxy with a higher metallicity. This other heavier galaxy was the main ancestor of our galaxy. Now fast forward to around 10,000 million years ago, around which the heavier galaxy collided with the smaller one and merged together to form our home galaxy, the Milky Way. This collision and then eventual merging was a very gradual process, spanning some millions of years. If this catastrophic cosmic event could have been played at a much faster speed, then it would have been a spectacle to behold. The collision sent the stars of both the systems into chaotic motion, which eventually formed the halo around the Milky Way. The collision also resulted in violent bursts of star formation for around another 4 billion years, after which the gas settled into what is now called the thin disk that runs through the center of our galaxy. Scientists believe that such violent merging of galaxies is quite frequent in the history of the universe, and in fact, some 4.5 billion years from now, our own Milky Way would be on a collision course with our nearest stellar neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. So that brings me to the end of this video, and if you have found something interesting and informative, please do press the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. That gives me a lot of support, and I hope I will improve with time in making these videos, and the quality will also improve. So with your support, that can go forward. So until we meet in the next video, keep learning and keep spreading what you know. Take care and bye bye.